Despite a raging farmers' agitations, sugarcane farmers say they have not been paid their dues for almost a year. But the UP government claims otherwise. Milan Sharma with this ground report from western UP, Sisoli near Muzaffarnagar.
Ever since 50-year-old Ajit Singh met with an accident, he has been bedridden, leaving only his younger brother to tend to the sugarcane fields. The family had to take loans for his operation as they have not got their sugarcane dues for a year.
आपका जो गन्ना का बकाया था वो कितने वक्त से पेंडिंग पड़ा है और क्या कारण आप देख रहे हैं?
मैम वो तो पिछले साल से पेंडिंग है। जब एक साल से नहीं मिल पाया और इस सीजन का है वो भी कोई उम्मीद नहीं है अभी, तो बहुत मुश्किल से ही गुजारा हो रहा है।
एक्सीडेंट हुआ है आपका?
जी एक्सीडेंट हुआ था और ये भी पैसा जो भी इसमें लगा है एक्सीडेंट में ये इधर उधर से लेके ही लगाया है और लगभग 4 से 5 महीने लगेंगे कम से कम ठीक होने में।
तो कानून तो इस राज्य का कहता है कि 14 दिन में।
In a home nearby, a happy occasion is shrouded in uncertainty. Kaushal Veer's son is about to be married in less than a month. But the farmer has taken loans for the wedding as he is awaiting sugarcane dues worth 2.5 lakh rupees for a year.
कब से आप चीनी मिलों से ये गन्ने का बकाया मिलने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
1 साल हो लिया, पिछले साल गन्ना गिरा था। ये ब्लाउज पिछले साल का मिला नहीं, फैक्ट्री बंद हो जाएगी जी ब्लाउज जाकर मिलेगा, ईब के साल का फिर अगले साल मिलेगा। जाक तो ना फीस दी जाती ना घर का खर्च चलता, पेमेंट भी जो दें 1-2 पर्ची का पेमेंट भेजें उसमें मैं 1-2 पर्चियाँ हो ये अपने घर के खर्च में नून मिर्च में चली जा।
The women have their tasks cut out as they manage the home expenses because the family is knee-deep in debt. Despite the hardships, there is joy in the air, as is seen by the printed wedding cards to mark the happy occasion.
देखो भी जो कर भी करेंगे तो वो तो करना पड़ेगा जी, ब्याह आ गया 1 साल तक रुक रहा लड़का तो करना तो पड़ेगा। कुकर भी करो, ब्याज पे लो, रिश्तेदारों पर लो, ये आदमी अपना काम तो चलावागा।
Prem Singh hoped his son would get a job in the city to support the family. He too is waiting for his sugarcane dues worth 2 lakh rupees for almost a year. Without any extra earning hand, the family is finding it difficult to survive.
अगर रोजगार हो तो फिर कोई थोड़ा बहुत मतलब काम चल भी जा, रोजगार नहीं है तो फिर तो दिक्कत है जी।
वो मुश्किल ही हो रहा, सब काम घर चलाना भी मुश्किल ही हो रहा। ये बच्चे ऐसे हैं, ठीक सी नौकरी मिले तो थमे वहाँ सी, थोड़े मिले तो फिर आ जा।
In western Uttar Pradesh, Sisoli, this is where sugarcane farmers bring their sugarcane to be crushed and created into jaggery. I'm surrounded by its sweet fragrance, but this barely makes up for living expenses of farmers, because if you want the dues for the sugarcane that you have sown and grown, you have to go to the sugar mills which provide you the sugar dues. But many farmers within Sisoli are upset because their sugarcane dues have not been paid for over a year now.
Data accessed by India Today shows the UP government said that sugarcane farmers have received full payment and no dues are pending in the financial years 2018-19 and 2019-20. In the financial year 2020-21, the government claims they have paid off 88.63% of the sugarcane dues. But in the financial year 2021-22, UP government claims to have paid off more than 162% of the sugarcane dues. However, farmers in western UP Sisoli contradict the government claims. We asked the UP government on why sugarcane mills have not cleared payments for over a year. In 2017, the BJP made a poll promise of payment of sugarcane dues in 14 days and interest of 15% a year on due amount beyond it. Farmer unions say the UP government is blind to expensive fuel, electricity and dismal state advisory price of sugarcane hiked by 25 rupees per quintal in Uttar Pradesh. In the last 3 years, state advisory price for sugarcane has increased only by 20 rupees. Before that, the Akhilesh Yadav government in 2012-13 hiked the SAP by 40 rupees per quintal.
अभी 25 रुपए बढ़ाकर जो किसान के साथ मजाक किया है, पिछली सरकारों ने 50 से 60-70 रुपए तक का किसानों का दाम बढ़ाया गन्ने का। पश्चिम उत्तर प्रदेश की जो मुख्य फसल गन्ना है, इसके किसान पूर्ण रूप से बिल्कुल बर्बाद है। गन्ने की जो लागत है वो सरकार कहती है कि 350 रुपए है और किसान के खाते में 341 रुपए जा रहे हैं, तो किसान तो यहाँ भी ठगा जा रहा।
The union government also claims that in Uttar Pradesh, cane prices areas reduced from 10,661 crore rupees in 2017 to 3,895 crore rupees in 2021. The delay in sugarcane dues has once again created unrest in farmers of western Uttar Pradesh. Will their woes cost the BJP in the upcoming polls?
Sugarcane farmers are yet again awaiting their dues from the Uttar Pradesh government. The state is just about to go into elections, and will this palpable anger translate into a befitting reply to the government this time? Bringing you this ground report from Sisauli in western Uttar Pradesh with Alok Das, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.